Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to export search history Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to export search history Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To export search stories in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the general menu. Now in the general menu there are many menus. Tap the privacy and data menu. Now in this menu, scroll down to find the search menu. Now here there are two menu options. Tap the export icon. Now the export results will appear in the download menu at the top right. The function of exporting search history in Outlook is to save and analyze search history, useful for auditing or documentation. Data is usually stored in CSV format. So that's it, tutorial how to export search history Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.